Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom coordinate system within Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what I've done is I've got the project screen open here, and I'm going to be editing a current project. So my test project here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that project, and what you can see is I get a little info button that appears, and I'm going to click on that info button to see all the information with my project. And you can see I've got a distance, angle, a coordinate system, vertical system, the whole 9 yards. And as I said, I wanted to be creating a custom coordinate system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the 3 bars there on the right to open up my coordinate system chooser. And you can see here at the very top there is a custom coordinate system option. And what you can see is if I click this little arrow, there are no custom coordinate systems added yet. And as I said, I want to create a new custom coordinate system. So I'm going to click on those 3 dots on the right there and click Define New. And what I can do is I can give this a name. So in my case, I'm going to call it UTM11 and then Nolan to denote that I created this UTM11 zone. I'm going to leave the description blank for right now, and I'm going to put in my equatorial radius and polar radius, both of which I'm just pulling from the regular UTM11 zone. Once I have that entered, what I'm going to do is I'm now going to select my datum type. In my case, I'm going to be doing a Molodensky datum type. Once I have that selected, you can see I can put in an X, Y, and Z. In my case, the X, Y, and Z are all going to be 0 here. And then for my project parameters, I need to choose a projection type. In my case, as I said, I'm going to be basing this off UTM zone 11. So I'm going to be using the Universal Transverse Mercator system here. I'm going to select that. It's going to allow me to choose a UTM zone. In my case, I'm going to put it as number 11. As I said, I'm basing this off UTM zone 11. I'm going to leave my hemispheres north and click on save. And you can now see under that custom coordinate system, instead of saying there are no coordinate systems, I now have that UTM 11 Nolan option I just created, which I can select. And you can now see it as my saved coordinate system for this project moving forward. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you create your own custom coordinate systems within Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.